Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to hold our power button and then select power off. Or when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. This will take us to fast boot mode, so from here using volume buttons, you want to select recovery mode. So press volume down once, then press power button to confirm it. Give it a moment. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here we have only a couple options like check system, install software, clear data, which will include clear cache or factory reset. Then we have enter safe mode and just two methods of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select restart, OK, and this will boot me back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.